friends, namaste, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to do a quick DIY, that is making your own face mask at home. It's under 1 minute and it is no sew, so let's get started. So for this I have taken a gent's handkerchief. This is around 17 inches by 17 inches. You can take any other cloth which measures the same, around same dimensions. And I'm going to take two rubber bands, the bigger ones, you can see. And let's get started. So I'm going to fold my handkerchiefs in fourths. And I'm going to slip my rubber bands from each side. And now I'm going to tuck my end, one end inside the another so that it's secure. And there you go. Our face mask is ready. I think it's just under 30 seconds. So if you don't have rubber bands, you can use these elastic. I have taken two pieces measuring 8 inches each, and I'm going to glue them. I'm going to glue the ends together. You can use fabric glue or hot glue, whatever you have on hand. There you go, and we repeat the process again. Tucking my end inside the other end, and there you have it.